Mama akwaba wo frame me adwoa searching ebusuafo mestro ena no first time I would ehwe me mestro no subscribe me notification bell no so for more news.
Asiedu Nketia ebetimi abiti Dr. Bawumia nye no credit NDC for no munim NDC be say most of the NDC people that we talk to they are aware but how to block it is the problem. Me say obi anadwe ne say General Asiedu Nketia ebeda ballot paper so on Dr. Bawumia beda ballot paper so obetimi abiti Dr. Bawumia in 2028 enye no credit me na me catch him because his way to the top what titi nipa bebre na so was step a lot of votes and what jaba be do top no man you careful and manage this issue here the NDC fracas ebeba the feud within the NDC the instability hit NDC be turn NPP for them what that's mama can market on the wall say General Asiedu Nketia with ya cracks ebeba NDC mu no the sabotage ebeba NDC mu no ebe ye kese asene NPP for sabotage omo experiencing in 2024 because was step a lot of foot because listen what the man went to Tamale to do I was sparking this controversy and this ye be antiase what tiase pa now support general that's fine and your problem Jamaican what I say but say you talk to people they don't understand why an old rules as a so called rekid an old rules nasa ko briko nani ekofa discussion at the back. And he has a lot of explanation to explain to the NDC people why he took that steps. Step to remove Haruna Dus. Then you went to his constituency to announce it and justify why he took Haruna off. One card Nketia we Haruna video because Nketia be Haruna this year. Haruna is also contesting. How you know bia sabe prebiasa tebia say Samson Ahimi omoton ba bia on do medi me MPU that ko beti be majority leader enyo no ho asem na eka how na be contest it then you want to somebody that want to contest what could the constituency then you could justify the reason why you took him off from parliamentary leadership but make us show you the person. If you have a sharp reasoning skills, or person will say the Haruna cannot lead the party in any leadership position within the NDC to win the election. That is the reason meaning. Hey, and the economy. Hey, no. You need to explain to us why you took Haruna off.
Okay.
You need to explain to people why you took off your parents and Muntaka. All these things. It is either you want there to disable Haruna Iddrisu and I say, who person who did the glory. Now we are campaign man confuse we are super strategic. We are strategists that will now bet me win election at German. Hey, had you be assembly or kind was saying yeah, it what's it tamaleha. Now we are Haruna fans and Haruna fans near any Asiedu Nketia fans who here boy. What I will say, even your own backyard. There are some people supporting me in your own backyard. How do you find near way fans near? That is why he's telling you. If they don't stop this man,
okay.
Remember NDC abregu. She asema yeke. Obi anu ha any President Mahama wonu bi say ade a problem. There's a tension in NDC. Senye tension in NDC Callistus Mahama embetro no Facebook da because when your brother to President Mahama, the busuani no one nanam dear boss me no beka and they me no be jojo and yes na no brother beka eti what Callistus efili and dear President Mahama frustration be one na ka and then the demeanor as a executive press secretary on na koban on the need the frustration papa ni from today say one way ya e be hia beto na ba be say the legacy no person will live and sign wakwa retirement. It say Callistus Bekasa Simuya. A child said there's a tension. And who is sparking all this tension? It is General Asiedu Nketia. It will be any NDC muse. A bit be rising one day catches a papa. Yes, you are chairman. You have every right to do whatever. But the time not yet. Oh, when you're careful. Yeah, the hair. Say see the new cost rate. They be a metaha me kabeboa. See the new bar from your camwase. Yes, inflation. inflation from 21.4 and then inflation about 3.6 you back up one sem debia Jamaica what I say the GDP Asiedu $100 billion you back up one sem your foreign reserve from 10 billion to 13 billion within 1.5 years you back up one sem adia wa ye bia mahama care nkola nkofo adwo mo nkwane ade yes ye bobode hu dahu as a GBC train we were trained to support the government in power. But the danger bar, we also not ignore it. We'll talk about it. So they have to be very careful. We are in this year. As my making tin be pa. A ma obin kwatna baby. One tia dia nasia. Don't sit somewhere never for feelings. And the din ko fuechi basa. And try dia fan ko to Facebook and the din party. Listen to me. Check. Political party be any one of this country. What's a candidate, you know, and your president our win election with this country. Till you party be any what this country. What the new candidate, a fresh candidate, a win election that a BC Canada. Pay ye information. Abra that fresh candidate in your president. The reason why I want to use say on your president because of President Mahama. President Mahama and Nkofo say, oh, 2012 no a fresh. Okay, that's fine. 2012 no a sitting president. The American what I say. And a Ghana or no a sitting president. It no on your fresh candidate. So on the BT. Fine. And in the global politics. Obia no a ono swasesa candidate a win election. A happen once in US for so many years. Obia no a ko election political party no after new candidate or there could be election. This 2028 it is staring at National Democratic Congress. Now, yes ya kasa Ghana your fourth republic. The information of our fourth republic so say ababia nu hono ma waba won twa 8 years da Jamaica what say ababia nu ena no sa danchen a judging from the economy baby economy na dru ani baby a NDC aye aduma de aduru emma NDC ni bia hotoso say o metimi win election 2028 even the city you see depreciating. You see how people are talking about it. But a drop, which a new class a call for panic. A new class could be a cap. But and I'm saying President Mahama, where he took the city from 2014, buy 40 cities, buy baby do 10 cities, I drop power level. No, I said go for free say so the BC. Oh, which 8 minutes add. A routine ama and for person of discuss. Now, the NDC has what it takes to win the election 2028. They can break that jinx. But the economy, it looks like said they want to jeopardize that opportunity they have. Like every baby about when you're 8 years. And the economy baby economy. They want to tamper it. They want to jeopardize it. And share a big creative problem at their moment. Now, 92.9. Whose parties? One person and next parties are DVC. General Asiedu Nketia. Share. General Asiedu Nketia. Boss. Say, who person your politics? That man is an institution. You have to follow that man. Study that man. Because Oyobia one respecting the politics more. Now you NDC no one respecting the politics more. Ebia won't me rise it because of where he started from. Jamaica what I say. He started as a Obia as a member of parliament for 12 years. Wabe general secretary. For some years. We win 2 elections. I'm NDC. We lose 2 at the NDC. But Usho baby ofiba. Uye sociology ebe catch you say, ubi a ya wunu we krasi. Ya titi de krasi. Ya seen it all we krasi. Wa betre city, wa go school to the highest level. Ah? Go school to the highest level. I said the pada to kwine. Wa hunu wiase ni na. Wa hold to positions. What is city? San conform don't bother test. Uno omo do not be very careful because they are very deep. Because all sphere of life, no, omo from wesi.
And Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia will problem. The way you present away, Kasa you, as if said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no problem. And so problem in free Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Problem in free candidate for na woman in Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ko stand there. Those candidates na say one mo babo ntine wo mo betro wo mo support. And man Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no accept wo mo e party nim because he see no no the father. Wo no papa nya asem a wo papa no na mepa wa chawo. Sisi MPP party na da wo no. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne father wo. Onene father. Onene party ni sini na iso. It doesn't make sense. Say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia be twi ni phone. E dey from honorable Kennedy Japan. So o metro ni support man no. And your honorable Kennedy Japan and the so of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no congratulating no. No tro support. And the man Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no be tro ni support. Be wise. Fane kure tu baby ane kure da. Fane kure ne fa tu baby ane kure da. What say honor I Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in show day. On show leadership. On show leadership. Now when I catch Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in leadership. On show leadership. Jama one kasa presenter na wo kasa radio station no wo nye serious wo sanka wo ye serious wo mba bonte me kasa asebui say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na on fa ni phone on fa frɛ honorable Kennedy Japan asembe na oka no minimum honorable minimum Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne President John Dramani Mahama contest ye na President Mahama edi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no President Mahama na oba bonte be kan obetro ni support ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na o tro ni support no e de ma President John Dramani Mahama. When you gonna near she video we